Start now.
Okay, so this is what we have as part of our project that we're doing. We would like to bring the shaping element into what we do, just because it's part of our lifestyle, number one. Number two, I really like to have a place to do it. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna have this shaping room available for whoever wants to come in and shape. So this is gonna be one of the rooms available. It's AC, it's gonna have all the machines. You can rent it if you want to, or we give it to you for free if you glass in our shop, which is right over there. So we're gonna have the full setup right here. We're gonna have, it's a boat living here right now, but this is gonna be the CNC machine space. So we're gonna be able to cut out the boards here, and that's for anyone who wants to make boards. But it's also gonna be used for cutting out the bulkheads and the all the forms for the campers and the boats. Then we're gonna have the next room is of course it's gonna be all part of the series of shaping rooms. But this is gonna be our sanding room. So we sand all the boards. This will be our art room, which you really can't see much yet because we don't have our lighting in place, but it's all there. And then this is our glassing factory, resin lab, if you will. Ready to rock and roll. We're just waiting for materials. And that's coming soon.